Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to claim the disability tax credits on Turbotax in 2025. Now, this is going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic at all. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now, the first step is going to be to gather the necessary documents. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and collect your Social Security Award letter, as well as any other documentations that support your disability claim. And once you have them, just log into your Turbotax account on Turbotax website. You're going to log in using your email address and your password. And once you're logged into your account, you're just going to select the tax year that you want to claim the disability tax credits for. Once you have that selected, go ahead and choose credits. And then you're going to select disability tax credit as your credit type. And next thing you got to do is to enter your total disability income, including any social security benefits or disability pensions. Go ahead and enter that. And once that's done, you're going to claim the disability tax credit based on your disability income and eligibility. Once that's completed, you're going to make sure that you review your disability tax credit claim just to make sure everything is accurate. And if it is, just go ahead and submit it to the IRS, and they're going to take care of the rest from there. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to claim the disability tax credit on Turbotax in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys